Hey everyone, it's Ann from What's Up Homestead, and I thought I would make you some sweet potato hash. I had this at a restaurant and it was delicious, and I thought I would try making it at home, and I do now, and even my grandson likes it. So I've just got avocado oil in the pan and sweet potatoes, and I'm just gonna cook them until they're just a little bit tender. I'm going to add peppers and onions and cook this all together. Okay, so now I'm going to add my peppers. I'm chopping them up really finely because I don't want some big chunks in there, and it's not going to take that long to cook. And this is a hash. You can add anything you want in here. I did have it with red peppers, but I only have green coming out of my garden and I don't have any red, so I'm just going to use what I have. But you can put anything in here that you want. It's just an idea. It's not really a recipe. It's just a guideline to kind of use to put your own spin on it. Okay, peppers in there, and now I'm going to add it's probably a half an onion. I cut that a little bit larger than the green pepper. I only have 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes here, so if I were using 4 sweet potatoes, I would probably use a whole onion, and I only used a half a bell pepper. So you can make the portion size larger just by using more potatoes. And sometimes I've made this in the past and I've used way too much oil and it's kind of gotten a little oily. So I'm going to try not to use that much oil. I would probably say a tablespoon of oil is probably the best. So I'm going to let this cook and I will come back. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, just to your liking. I don't want to use the salt any earlier because I don't want the moisture to come out. I want it to kind of caramelize just a little bit. Okay, put pepper. And I like to use onion powder in pretty much everything I make. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on. How do you like my industrial size bottle? I found this at Sam's Club, and this is what I'm going to buy from now on. Plus it's organic, so I don't have to buy the little bottles anymore. I have this, and I have another one that's garlic. I've got garlic in another one, so I'm going to be stocked up for a while. And for my oil, I used avocado oil, but you can use any kind of oil. You could use probably butter. You just want to cook the potatoes. Whatever you want to cook the potatoes in is okay. This is just a guideline, like I said. The sweet potatoes are halfway done, so I'm just going to put a little water in here, just a little bit. And I'm going to turn the burner up a little bit. I'm going to put the lid on till the liquid evaporates. Now I don't have a lid for this, so I'm just going to use my Victorio steamer. I'm going to use this lid on there. And I'm going to keep checking on it till the potatoes are tender. Okay, I thought I'd turn you around the other way so I can show you the rest. I've got corn here. It's been frozen, and I just microwaved it until it got a little soft, and now I'm just gonna put the whole bag in there. If you really like corn, you could use a whole can. If you have frozen, just use as much as you like. But this was cut off the cob, so I'm gonna have to break it up in the pan, but so since the sweet potatoes are done, all we're going to do is just mix this around until it's hot. So all I used was avocado oil in it, and I didn't use that much. And then I used water, and it's only vegetables. It's a very healthy meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So I hope you like the recipe, and I hope you try it. And if you try it, let me know what kind of combinations you used. And I'll see you in the next video.